Welcome back to another video. Today in this video I will be taking you through the Poulous website. Blockchain solutions for business. Poulous World provides solutions to help businesses constantly grow and develop. Invoice discounting. It is a global peer-to-peer platform, win-win solution, and unprecedented safety. You can see these two buttons, white and blue. You can click it to learn more or explore platform. Poulous XBRL platform. Raw data access. Powerful tools and marketplace. You can enter your name and email to subscribe to this channel. So I'm going to end the video right here. Subscribe to my channel, leave a like and comment down below. You can also go to the WeezCoins website to find more information about Bitcoin.